Today's video is going to be this gorgeous pastel delight set with painted nail art and sugaring. So if you guys want to see this video, then keep on watching, subscribe and thumbs up. So let's get straight into today's Ninja Squad shout outs. We're going to go with Jill B, Bewitching to You and Amy Jack. So thank you so much for that. You guys are awesome.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
If you want to be featured in my next video, then please leave lots of flower emojis and spring pastel kind of vibes in the comments down below, and you may well just be featured in my next video. So today's video, I'm going to start off with the ultra thin tapered square nail tips, and these are the tapered tips from Glitter Planet, and they are a matte finish. As you can see, they are clear, so as soon as you add your top coat or your clear acrylic, they will go completely transparent and you can see straight through them. The fact that they are matte just means that they are kind of pre-buffed, although they are smooth, so you would still need to buff them if you were going to go in with kind of a hard gel. So I'm just going to apply those to my hand, and I'm using the instant nail glue. I just wanted to let you know as well, guys, at this time we are still shipping orders. Me and Sean are working super hard to get everything out for you guys, and I just want to say a huge thank you to those of you who have been super patient with us and for sticking by us. So I'm coming in with Nude Attitude at the cuticle area for my nail bed cover powder, and then I'm going to be applying the pastel collection for my acrylics. So first I'm coming in with Buttercup, and I'm just applying that at the free edge and then blending it up with the tip of my brush to meet the cover powder. At this stage we want to be keeping everything nice and thin because we are going to be coming in with the glitter over the top, and then after that we will need to cap that area as well. So next I'm coming in with Lemon Delight, and I'm going to be applying that exactly where the blend meets, and then I'm going to be feathering it up the nail and down the nail. I don't want to do it right to the cuticle area or right to the free edge. I kind of just want to disperse that glitter out to either side. So I'm basically going to be repeating this process on all of the nails using the pastel collection and the corresponding Pastel Delight glitters from Glitter Planet website. So if you want to check out everything, as I said, I'll leave it linked or listed for you guys down below. Now this set, by the way guys, is one that I did a long time ago. It's just been literally stored on my memory card for like 12 months, if not longer. So although these coloured acrylics aren't the exact ones that I'm mentioning, they are the closest ones that I have in my brand's collection. So this one is Mint Ninja. It is slightly darker than Mint Ninja upon application. However, once fully blended out, it is there or thereabouts. Same with all of the other colours as well that I mentioned. I mean, it was that long ago, I don't even know what brand or colours I even used, so I couldn't even begin to kind of guess that. So I thought by picking the closest one that we had available, it would suit. I absolutely love mint colours and teal. I just find them so absolutely gorgeous. So this one had to be my absolute favourite. I also love the pink one, but this one was my favourite one. Oh, my throat's a little bit dry. I need a drink. Excuse me. So as you saw, I'm doing the same process there. I've applied the coloured acrylic to the tip area. I've blended it up, and then I've gone ahead and applied the Mint Delight to the centre of the nail and dispersed it out. So I want to know how you guys are keeping yourself busy through this isolation period. Are you practicing? Are you doing some online courses? Are you kind of doing some sets inspired by other nail techs, setting up a channel, focusing on Instagram? Whatever it is that you are doing, let me know. And if it's nothing to do with nails, that's fine. I know that obviously a lot of people have their kids home as well. We have ours with us, and it's proving difficult to even sit down and film because by the time I'm home, we have so much to do, and then we are tired. So it's like, try and recharge for the next day because it kind of starts again. I mean, we are having lots of fun, and I do love having them at home. And at work with us, they are just freaking bomb, but I guess it's like that thing of not having any time kind of to wind down. I don't even know if that makes sense. But yeah, it's just important to take care of yourself like I do. I'm just like having nice hot bubble baths at the end of every day just to kind of get that time in and just relax and just be peaceful. Like no social media, nothing on the news, no updates on the virus, nothing. Don't want to know it. During that time, I am just focusing on relaxing, and I really enjoy that time. My voice is freaking well croaky. Can you hear it? I don't even know if you guys can hear it, but I definitely can hear it and feel it as well. I don't know if it's because I'm trying to talk some quietly because the kids are in bed and my door's wide open, which I should probably get up and close. So guys, if you haven't already, please do go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share it as well, because we all need a little bit of love and nail tutorials, especially when we're not having clients' nails to do. We need to get our fix from somewhere, so nail tutorials to the rescue. Okay guys, so now I'm finished with the design. I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the nails in Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm doing this just nice and evenly. I want to work on focusing on keeping that shape as close to the finished result as possible. This way I am going to minimize my filing time. I want to know as well, guys, if you were to do online courses, and the courses obviously were by myself, what would you be looking to learn? What would you want me to really focus on and hone in on? What skills would you want me to teach? Because it's something that I've been thinking about. I've kind of mocked up a few things, but I want to get your feedback on it as well, and I want to know what you want from me, if that makes any sense. If you're even remotely bothered, I would appreciate your answers down below, because it's something that I plan to work on through this time of isolation. I was going to say through this time of quietness and nothing to do, but damn girl, I have got a lot of stuff to do. Okay guys, so this is the final result after laying my clear acrylic and capping the nails. I then do go ahead and file and buff the nails off of camera, and this is how they look before I'm applying my super gloss top coat. I love the look of a set of nails just freshly filed. Even better if they've got the dust on, like, and close-up shots. I think they look freaking bomb. It's just a real raw shot of the process of nails, and I don't know, I just kind of love that kind of thing. So as you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm applying Nail Mate Super Gloss to the entire set, and once I've done that, I'll cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I do tend to flash cure between nails, so once I've done one nail, I'll flash cure just for 5 seconds just to make sure that everything stays in place, and then I'll move on to the next nail and do the same, and then I'll do a full cure once I've done the final nail. Okay, so this is how the nails are looking right now with the super gloss, and I did this and I remember doing it and thinking I'm just going to do it on one more nail because it looks freaking cute. I wasn't really going to film the process because it took me quite a while, I'm not going to lie, but I thought, why the heck not, let's just crack on and go ahead with it. So you'll be happy to know that we will be bringing out our own gel paints in the future. We are currently just working on them. They may well be delayed slightly now, just with everything going on. I'm guessing a lot of stuff's going to be backed up just generally in the entire world, because I mean, this has hit crazy for a lot of people and it's a real shame. Like, it is tragic. But yeah, we will have gel paints coming and I'm excited for that. Anyway, I finished painting my design and I'm coming in with this loose glitter. Now this loose glitter is absolutely gorgeous. It is called Princess and it is available from my website, which is glitterplanetuk.com, and I will link it for you guys down below if you're interested. So all I do is sprinkle the glitter over the top of the gel paint or the gel polish or whatever material you are using that can be cured in a lamp. And I'm just then curing in the light for the full 60 seconds and then dusting off the excess, and it leaves you with this gorgeous sugaring effect. Now I loved it that much, even though I was initially only going to do it on 2 nails, I just went for the lot. I did the whole set because honestly I could not get enough of the result, especially over these gorgeous pastel shades. It just looked divine. Now there wasn't anything that I was copying or kind of following. I just randomly drew these shapes and swirls and stuff over the sets, and it just really looked super pretty and gorgeous. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little shorter than usual, but it was something a little bit different and I wanted to make sure I shared it with you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, and as always guys, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. Really? Bye.